Hey everyone. Today I'm showing you the OM701 OBD2 Scanner, a must-have diagnostic tool for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion owners. This compact scanner lets you read and clear fault codes across all vehicle systems, including engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, and more. No more expensive mechanic visits. With over 15 advanced reset functions like oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, ETC, and ABS bleeding, you can maintain your car like a pro right at home. Just plug it into your car's OBDII port, and the clear color screen gives real-time data, diagnostic reports, and instant fault code details. It's fast, accurate, and beginner-friendly, plus, it comes with free lifetime software updates, keeping your tool current with the latest models and fixes. If you want to save time, money, and stay ahead of car issues, grab your OM701 OBD2 scanner today. Links in the description below. Check it out before it's gone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more auto tools, tech, and gadgets. See you in the next video.